Guys, today I'm going to share with you the ways we copy and rename the file with a Python. Let's get started. Okay, there's numerous ways to copy the file with a Python, but I tend to use the shadow with three methods. First is the copy, and second is copy to, and the last one is the copy file. Use which method is depend on your programming purpose. So let's get started with our programming today. First, we need to import the necessary library. It is the Pathlib and shadow. With shadow, we import shadow, and with Pathlib, we import. Okay, we import path. We also need a message box to show the process completed. So we use ring statement with backslash process completed. Okay. So with schedule, we also need two variable and one main variable and short copy file and destination file. So we create variable src ship that file equal path. So we will copy the file right here, copy path and paste. So now we will create three options about the destination file for testing. So we use the dest file ship.o1 equal path. So we want to copy paste the file to the desktop. So I will copy the path right here and move to the desktop with the name. File name is copy.pdf. Okay, so let's copy it to the destination file 2 and rename it to copy 2. And the last one is destination file 3 with the copy file. Yeah, it's reason for three options, three methods of the shadow. So now we create the copy and paste. Okay, first we will use the shadow dot copy and with the two brackets. First is the src file and second is the dest file 1. Yeah. Another one is schedule dot copy to two parameter. First is the src file another one is the dest file 2. Yeah, now we copy it and replace for the last one method, copy file that of 3. Yeah. Okay, so let's run it for the checking in the desktop. So let me open the folder desktop right here. Okay. Okay, and now run it for the checking the data. Let's open in interactive terminal. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's open Python 3 f7.copy.py, enter, and now we have two copy file in the desktop folder. So let's check the property of that file. So let me check it. Get info for the copy file right here, and copy is the first. Okay, copy, and here is the last one, The second is the copy tool. The copy tool is the method I tend to in my programming. So let's check it. So with the copy is copy the content, but is not keep the modification right here. Modify it today. But with the copy tool, modify is will keep the modify is Friday 29 December 2023, and with the copy file is also not keep the metadata like a modification, last modification time and file creation.